Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to get or how to manage live notifications from accounts you follow, how you can manage it. It's super easy. We will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app. Move to the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy here. Now you have to scroll, click on notifications here. In this way you can see here live notification settings. Click on it. You can see get live notification from accounts you follow. All your followers or the person that followed you will be appearing here in this way. If you want that when they are online you will get notification, and if you are not interested then turn it on and turn it off. If you are interested, turn it on. If you are not interested, turn it off. In this way you can manage live notification settings from your TikTok account. Here two types of colors will appear here like this. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.